Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Even if you don't live near a wildfire-prone area, smoky conditions can still be a problem. Depending on the wind, you might have weeks of smoke exposure to your home. In this episode, we'll learn how to maintain good indoor air quality when it's smoky outside. We'll focus on prevention, reduction, as well as keeping your home cool. Older homes are designed with passive ventilation and will have leaky windows and walls. You can try to add weather stripping to any gaps near windows or doors to reduce the amount of smoke that leaks in. In newer homes with tightly sealed walls, an HRV or ERV is essential for ventilation. Limiting how much your HRV runs will prevent it from bringing in more smoke. However, during really smoky conditions, you might even want to shut it off temporarily. If you have an attached garage, then park outside and keep the garage door closed. This way you will create an airlock. Simply enter the garage, then close the outside door. Now you can enter your home with less smoke getting in. Any smoke that enters your home can be reduced through filtration. Designate a clean room where you will be spending the majority of your time. Focus on shared living spaces first before moving the air purifier to less common spaces. There are also DIY air purifiers that are inexpensive but still highly effective. A Corsi Rosenthal box is made with MERV 13 furnace filters and a box fan. You can see more in the video linked below. Often the days that are smoky can also be very hot, so you'll need to keep your home cool without pulling in more smoke. If you have central air conditioning, then you can use this to keep your home cool. You might also have an HRV for ventilation, so when running the AC, close the dampers or unplug the HRV temporarily to prevent it from pulling in the smoke. Only run the HRV when you need to get rid of any CO2. Unlike window air conditioners, portable AC units are vented outside and will suck the air out of the room. This creates negative pressure, which will draw smoke in from the outside. In any case, it's not recommended to run a portable AC unless you have a strong air purifier to deal with the additional smoke. However, a dual hose air conditioner will not have this problem since it has a balanced system. If you don't have an air conditioner, running a filtered box fan at night can help cool your home. A single MERV 13 filter won't remove all the smoke, so this is best on days where the smoke is not as heavy. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.